Okay, so now we're on to the B, the background portion of the introduction. So we need to give background about two particular pieces. We need to give background information about the story 11, and we need to give background information about the story on turning 10. So again, the way that I introduce, or the way that I teach my students to do that, is by answering the 5W questions. Who is the text about? What is it about? Where does it happen? When does it happen? Why does it happen? So in this story 11, I outlined the who, the what, the when, the where, the why. Okay, it's about a girl named Rachel. That's the who. When, her 11th birthday. Where, school. What happens? Teacher makes her wear an ugly sweater. And why? Why is that significant? Because it ruins her birthday. So what you want to do is you want to take those 5 W's and you want to turn them into a 1 or 2 sentence. Try to keep it in 1 if you can. Turn it into a 1 or 2 sentence background sentence so that your reader understands a little bit about what the story is about. And then you can go on and do this very same thing with the next story, which is on turning 10. So I want you to go in now and I want you to write your background sentences for this short story 11 and for the poem that we read on turning 10. You have the details on the screen. You also have them outlined for you in your Word document or in the chat so that you can use those things to write those background sentences. So do that now. When you're done with this, you should be 3 sentences into your introduction. Do that now.